taxes or put it in escrow, it wouldn't actually go to the school district until the following year. Does that make sense? And that's where we go back to that whole fact about the two working on a different cycle. Okay? All right. Real estate taxes. Valuing real estate goes through the county assessor's office. If you disagree with your valuation, you can appeal to an equalization board. You pay on 20% of the assessed value. Calculation is 20% of the assessed value multiplied by the millage rate. Okay? We'll go to the next one. Let's do an example here. All right. We got a home value at $100,000 in this district. Okay? And the school district millage rate is 33 mils. We take 100,000 multiplied by 20%, which is the assessed value then is $20,000. And we do $20,000 multiplied by 33 mils, or 0.033. It equals $660 is what you would pay a year on your property if you had a $100,000 house. Does that make sense? Okay. Then, let's kick it up a notch. You see, we go up to 34 mils. So you can pay $680, right? So we can see every increment of 20,000 that you have, or by every mil that you increase, it's going to increase this amount by $20. Does that make sense? So let's say, hypothetically, with 36 mils, it would be another $40 on top of that. And here's the other thing, and hopefully everybody has already got this going if you own property. The homestead credit, if you apply for the homestead credit, basically that takes $350 off of that $660 amount or whatever the amount is that you're assessed by the county. I'm hoping that makes sense so everybody can kind of see. If you apply for that homestead credit, you're automatically getting a $350 reduction on what you pay. So that can help. And if you own property and you haven't checked that out, I would suggest that you go ahead and check that out because they don't automatically apply for it. You have to ask for that.
So does the school get reimbursed? I mean, does the $350 still come in if we get the Homestead Act? So the state pays that, or you see what I'm saying?
Right.
It doesn't come out of our share of the money.
That's what I'm saying.
Right.
Is that coming out of our share?
That's right. No, that money still comes to the school.
Okay.
But your taxes reduced to $350.
Right.
Yeah. Okay. The other thing about real estate taxes is this: taxpayers over the age of 65 can have their assessments frozen. Okay. So if they're sitting out there and somebody's on a fixed income and they're saying, hey, I don't want a tax increase. Well, technically, if you're 65 or older, it will not affect you because your assessment can be frozen at that time. So a lot of misinformation comes from people that are more experienced in life. Is that a good way to say it?
Mm-hmm.
More experienced? Is that right?
You know,
No, ma'am. I mean experience. That's the more experienced I get, the more I know it's experienced. Yes, ma'am. So my point is, the more experience that you get,